What's up guys, so it's me, iTech everything, and welcome back to another video. So as everyone knows, Apple makes great products, but they lack in the lightning cable. It's very less durable, so as you can see, I'm going to show you how to fix the lightning cable and make it usable. And sometimes you can get shocked by it. The electric flow can hurt you, so that's an issue. But otherwise, today I'm going to show you how to fix that and avoid all these issues. So your case might be way bad, and now this is one lightning cable I'm fixing, and I have another one for later, which I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for this, you will need your lightning cable, which is broken of course, and then you need to remove the part on your main lightning cable part, and then get the heat shrink tube and place it inside. But now if you have a larger or thicker heat shrink tube, you do not need to cut that upper part to actually fit this in. So I did not have that, so I had to work around with this one. So you can put your one in, and you can actually heat it up so that it shrinks, as its name suggests, and it actually sits into place. So in the intro one, I had some broken parts on the other side as well. So first drag one to that side and then put one here, so that it comes properly aligned, so that you can actually put it on the USB-A side instead of only the USB lightning or the only lightning side. So place it carefully inside and then heat it up, as I do with my hairdryer. Any ordinary hairdryer would do the work pretty good. I did not have any professional one because I don't use and no one in my house does. So this was just one lying around from years, so I just used that. So you'll see it in a bit. Also try getting something for support so that your lightning cable doesn't fly away. And as you can see, here's the final result. And it's actually making you safe from everything and also making it a bit more durable. So I hope you liked this video, and if you didn't like it, you know what to do. But if you liked it, then get subscribed, liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one with another amazing video. That's it for this one. Come again to my channel for better and more amazing content. And yeah, that's it for this one. Peace out.